Hello. Kind of a short, quick thing here. When they replaced our top on our little Bronco here, they forgot to put the sound deadening back on the roof panels. So I'm gonna install those, show you how to do that real quick. So if you don't have the sound deadening in your Bronco, this is for a two-door. They come in these bags, and there's a part numbers for it. There's this one and this one. One's for the driver's side, one's for the passenger side. Well, let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do is take some alcohol pads and just kind of wipe it down a little bit. This probably isn't necessary, but I want to make sure it sticks really well. I don't think it needs much. I just want to get any dirt off of it, if there is any. These are just lens wipes, is all they are. This fiberglass or plastic, I think it's fiberglass, is kind of rough. And I don't want any residue from the tissue either. So we'll take and do this. Then I'll take a microfiber cloth and wipe it off also to get any tissue residue off of it. Microfiber kind of picks up everything, so I'll just kind of do one of these with it. You can see how it's kind of sticking to the fiberglass. But that will get anything I missed. And I'm going to take these little stickers off too. I wasn't going to, but I don't want anything in the way of having that stick. By the way, this is the driver's side. Here's the panel. On the back it has just a sticky back to it. This peels off. So we got to get it put in place, and then we'll stick it on the back. Alright, there's the driver's side one. I am going to take something and just kind of roll through the corners, all the divots and whatnot, to make sure it's stuck down really good. Okay, here's the passenger side. Just test fitting it to make sure it's what's the way it's supposed to go. And I'll do the same thing, cleaning up the top of it so it'll stick. And there's the finished product. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching.